Merry Christmas. Oh, I heard something. No, you didn't. Go back to sleep. But I heard something. No, you didn't. Okay. Dasher, Dancer, we gotta deliver Spot and Stacy's gifts. Okay, let's go deliver these two gifts under the tree. Their stockings, we gotta fill their stockings. For Stacy, I got her this, this. And for Spot, I heard these three things. Perfect. Okay. Let's go Dasher and Dancer. Oh my God, it is too. Let's go see our presents. Oh my word. There's so many of them. Our stockings. I'm gonna open my stocking first. Wait, turn the light on. Okay. I'm gonna open my stocking first. Okay. Woo! It's a bookmark. And dental floss. My breath doesn't smell that bad. And a whistle. It's loud. Wonder what I got in my stocking. Fluffy! I like fluffy stuff. Okay, I don't know what that is. Let's see here. I got a scarf! Oh my goodness! And a fish. Okay. I'm okay with that. Let's open our presents! Okay. Hey, I got a present for me. Let's open it. Oh my gosh! Look! I got pens! I got pens! This is great! Now I can color. Now I can color. I got purple and orange pens. Great. I wonder what I got. This one's for me. I'm gonna open it. See, it says my name. Spot. Okay, you can't really see it. All you can see is pen marks. Okay, I put the camera down and open it. All you can see is pen marks. There we go. Sorry, the camera was on an angle. Okay. Camera! I got a camera! I can capture Christmas moments. This is great. I love Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.